Bingo Cash does not pay out immediately after you win a tournament. Your winnings first appear in your account balance, and any withdrawal request must be reviewed and processed before the money reaches your payment method. By the end of this video, you'll know what affects Bingo Cash payout times, what delays are normal, and what to do if your withdrawal seems stuck. Here's how the process works. After you finish a cash tournament and place high enough to earn a prize, the winnings are added to your Bingo Cash account balance. That doesn't automatically send the money to your bank or digital wallet. You still need to request a withdrawal through the app. Once you submit a withdrawal request, Bingo Cash begins processing it. Processing time can vary depending on account verification, payment method, withdrawal volume, and whether the system flags the transaction for additional review. Because of those factors, there isn't a single guaranteed payout time for every player. If you're withdrawing for the first time, expect the process to take longer than future withdrawals. The app may need to verify your identity or confirm your payment information before releasing funds. Make sure your account details match your payment information to avoid unnecessary delays. You should also check that your payment method is still active and correctly linked. An expired card, incorrect payment details, or changes to your payment account can delay a withdrawal even after Bingo Cash has processed the request. If your withdrawal remains pending longer than expected, open the withdrawal history inside the app and check its status. Look for messages requesting additional verification or confirming that processing is still in progress. If no update appears after a reasonable period, contact Bingo Cash support through the app and include your username, withdrawal date, and any confirmation number if one is available. Avoid submitting multiple withdrawal requests for the same winnings or repeatedly canceling and resubmitting the request. That can create confusion and may slow the review process instead of speeding it up. Also remember that weekends, holidays, and payment provider processing schedules can affect when the money actually arrives, even after Bingo Cash finishes its part of the transaction. Here's the takeaway. Your winnings appear in your account first, withdrawals require separate processing, and verification or payment issues can extend the timeline. Before contacting support, check your withdrawal status, confirm your payment details, and look for any verification requests. If this guide helped you understand the process, like the video and subscribe for more Bingo Cash tips and troubleshooting guides.